Before we get started, I'm just going to go over everything that we're going to be using today. So I am going to be featuring our 18-ounce tumbler in red. It is such a great red to work with because so many colors really pop on this color, and two, because a lot of our adhesives have a shine or a matte finish, they really work well on this red surface. It is a removable lid, and there is a section here where the drink comes out of, so that's really nice. Again, it's the 18-ounce tumbler on our website. I'm going to be working with our HTS branded adhesive vinyl. It does come in size 12 by 12, and this is the matte chrome. I'll be using silver and black. The other part of the sheet was used for another project. And I'm going to be doing a little bit more of a personalization project with the S and then putting Stacy over it. The matte chrome is awesome to work with. It weeds really easily. I'll be cleaning my tumbler today with just some alcohol and this little wipe here. And then I have my scraper and my Tweety light with the hook. These are under our accessories section on the website just in case I need anything along the way. So here we go.